I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Lunatone. So in your craft packet, you will have a paper plate with the shape of Lunatone drawn on and pre-painted for you. And you will also have a piece of black construction paper and a piece of red construction paper with some pieces to cut out. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut out these two pieces, and then we're also going to cut out on the black line around the outline of Lunatone, just taking off this white part of the plate. And then I'll show you how to put it all together. So once we have all our pieces cut out, we're going to take our black construction paper and our red construction paper, and we're going to glue the red eye into the rest of the eye on the black. Now, the eye is a little bit closer to this strip that sticks out than in the center. So it's going to be off center, closer to this strip that sticks out. So it's kind of centered up and down, but off center, left and right. Then this lines up here, so the little tip of this big black line, this lines up with the edge of this, which I would call the nose. Whether it's supposed to be a nose or not, that's what I'd call it. And then we're just going to glue that right on there. So I'm just going to put some glue all around here on the back, and then along that strip, and then line that up and press it all down. Now, if you would like to, you can stop there, and this can be your Lunatone. But Lunatone does have some little ovals and little pock marks, just like the moon has craters. So we can add those to our Lunatone if we want to. So I will do that. And then if you choose not to, that's fine. But if you want to, then you can. So there's like a little V shape right here by the eye, and then two little almost like apostrophe shapes underneath the eye. And then we have just an oval about the center over here, angled under the eye. And then a little U shape kind of under the eye. And then we have, looks like a little extended edge of a crater right along the edge there. And then there's another bigger oval crater right along the edge of what we can see on this craft. So this is a little bigger oval. And if you want to add these, you can use anything you want. It can be a pen, a pencil, a marker, whatever you would like. And then we have another bigger oval over here, above the eye, and off to the right side a little bit. And then another little smaller one right next to it. And then just a couple more tiny lines. So if you want to add all of those details, then you are welcome to, but if not, that's okay too. But that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye!